Well, hello. Here we are again out on Port Phillip Bay, water testing a 6-metre offshore Edencraft. What a boat this is. In grey, it's got the big Edencraft stickers on the side, which gives it that extra bit of wow factor. We've got our 16-inch Simrad through-hull transducer, audio, 2 speakers, Bimini rocker launchers, everything you need. We've got a snapper rack, we've got bait boards, and a rear lounge. This is Jason's boat. Jason's entertaining his wife and his family and friends. So we've gone for a flagship Verado engine from Mercury. We've gone for the 250. At 6,000 RPM, we're getting 82 to 83 kilometres an hour. That's enough, that's ample to do whatever you'd like to do, whether it's bay fishing, offshore fishing, or towing the kids on a donut. It's a perfect combination.